In this Sailing Doodles, we have our last day in Thailand, and then we give you a sneak peek into our next set of sailing. I'd like to thank Group Island Spirit for this next series of videos. They supplied the boats we are sailing in the flotilla. Island Spirit is a yacht manufacturer and charter company, and they have some amazing destinations with over 40 boats in Thailand in both the Gulf side and the Phuket area. They manufacture the Island Spirit 410, which is a 41-foot catamaran with 4 cabins and 2 heads and an open salon area. So if you're interested in buying an Island Spirit or chartering with them, visit groupislandspirit.com. It was a really calm and windless morning, our last day of sailing, as we pulled up the anchor from Bang Bao and headed around the island to Salakpet. At Group Island Spirit Charters, the crew actually comes out in a dinghy to take you into the dock.
Hello.
Hello. It's actually a pretty good idea. It saves the wear and tear on the boat, and often the most stressful and intimidating part for lesser experienced captains is docking. Now that we made it to the dock, somebody's making an appearance.
1 hour without me, baby.
Oh, I know, it was awful.
You tried to sneak in my room with a camera?
I did. You might have seen nipple earlier.
I know how I feel about wearing boobs.
She would rather just show them to you, but YouTube won't let that happen, sorry. So we're wrapping it up, we're taking our bags off right now. Way too much bread that gets moldy.
This is called raisin bread when it looks like that.
Yeah. And then we still have a bunch of extra food over here, so.
Oh, there's a lot.
There's a lot of food.
I can't open it.
Yeah. Still lots of extra food. You don't need as much as you think, because you know, mostly when you're cruising, especially when you're chartering, you tend to eat out a lot more. You know, you go out to dinner every night.
You're on vacation.
Yeah.
And then you know you take down your rooms, try to help them out.
Yeah, a lot of places. Most charter companies, you have to go to the fuel dock. A lot of charter companies, what they want you to do is be in by 6 o'clock the night before your charter ends. So you have to be in by 6 o'clock. You have to be fueled, water, and on your main dock by 6 p.m. and then you have to be off the boat by 10 a.m. This company, no, you just got to be back by 10 a.m. And they fuel it. They do all the watering and all that.
Show that we recycle. In this area, they'll separate it, or you should separate it.
Yeah. Anyway, recycle as much as we could. So anyway, we're gonna wrap it up now. So now we're gonna go debrief with the charter base manager. Basically, we're gonna go over anything that's broken, needs fixing, anything that went wrong, how can they do better, that kind of thing. And overall, it was pretty
Customer
cool
survey.
Yep, customer survey. It was pretty cool experience.
Customer satisfaction.
So. All right, let's get out of here.
Bye. Look, babe. Going nuts.
Going nuts. Been nuts. All right, thank you, James. Appreciate you, pal.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
See you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye, thank you. Bye.
Bye. Yeah.
Hold my bones.
Just the man we need to see is Craig, base manager for Island Spirit.
With the red book.
Yeah, so we're gonna go through and make sure we didn't break anything. So let's do it. Debriefing?
Sounds good.
All right.
Let's do it. Well, if I don't see you on video, I'll see you on face.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Real face.
Yeah, so we're getting out of here. Hopefully we'll be back soon. We don't know when, but we'll do it. Well, unfortunately, there's quite a line for the ferry. Looks like the driver thinks it'll be an hour. Thailand is a pretty special place, and I know we'll be back soon. In season 4 of Sailing Doodles, we start back in Florida on a catamaran. We face some pretty nasty storms as we make our way down south to the Keys. Of course, we have some fun along the way too. So stay tuned for some videos from the Keys, the Caribbean, and we even spend a month in the Mediterranean.
Play with it, Jess.
I will totally play with it.